kind of went ham on, oh, that's open, on towels. How many PFMs do you think we got?
3.5.
You underestimate how much money I spent on towels. We got, all right, so that's a pack of like, how many's in here? These are the large ones?
Yeah.
Extra large, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4 extra larges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 small detailing ones. And they gave us no candy.
That's all you got?
Is that not enough? There's like probably, oh no, this is coming from Unitronic, not Eurotuning. So I don't think Uni has a swag pack. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Brian, if you see this, swag pack's dude. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a little turbo inlet for the Golf R. Okay. Alright. Well, this is part of the intake. Oh, that's so nice. Mounts. Oh, you're in there, Okay. Let go. So this is the air box for the Unitronic carbon fiber intake setup. Let's see the nice little racy boy in there. And I believe in this dude will be the like snout that goes to the right behind the grill. It's never gonna break. There you go. Wow. Hell yeah, brother. That's very tall. Oh, and it came out with it anyways. Sick. Well, this is awesome. This is massive. We should tag Mighty Car Mods, and we can do like their harp thing. Like if it works, it's a good one. was a lot easier going in than getting out. Which is surprising because that weighs a lot more than that little. Everyone, so we finished putting the intercooler in the Golf R. This is a heat exchanger. It sits right in front of the intercooler. You can see kind of down here the Unitronic logo. So like she's in there, but because of this guy you can't tell, which in my opinion makes it nicer, having more of a sleeper-esque style to it. We had to pull the fan, the radiator, the heat exchanger, then get rid of the OEM intercooler, and then do everything in reverse. So, fun experience. Pain in the butt. But now we're gonna put the front bumper back on, and then we'll move on to more air things. We've got the turbo elbow and the intake to put on. So we're gonna get on that. So I just finished up putting on this Raceline Performance PCB plate, and I'm also did the Unitronic turbo inlet, and I'm finishing up installing everything that I had to take off to get the plate on, and then I'll be moving over here, removing the windshield wiper fluid reservoir and installing their catch can. Not looking forward to this just because I didn't order a replacement for the reservoir, so it's gonna be a fun time.
Did I f up your video, baby?
Nah, you good.
Made it better, guys? What we doing?
Alright everybody, some bad news, but it's okay. The Golf R did all the bolt-ons, flashed the Unitronic tunes, went to do some pulls, and found out that the transmission is a dud. Apparently DQ381s aren't the best transmissions. They're great, but just some of them ended up being trash. So mine was one of them. Pretty sure that's probably why the previous owner of the car, the first original owner, traded it in, because it started, he started feeling everything going wrong with it, and instead of just taking it to Volkswagen to get it fixed, he decided that he wanted an Infinity, so whatever. But I took it to Volkswagen of Marietta, and they are handling it for me. It's gonna be full warranty, which is great. It's gonna be a minute for the transmission to get in, but in the meantime, we have all the rest of the projects going on, so that's fine to be put on hold. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna make power with the car anyways, so it's all good.